Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can share photos from iPhone to Android device. So in the first step, install the Send Anywhere app on both devices. Now just on the iPhone, tap on the Go to Settings icon and go to the photos. Now select the full access or limited one. Allow full access again and go back to the app. Now select the photos that you want to share to your Android device. You can choose one or just select. Now tap on the send icon and choose receive on Android device. On Android device, enter the code from the iPhone. Sorry about the misclick. Once again, and choose receive. As you can see, the transfer process starts automatically, and this is the way how you can share the photos between your Android and iPhone device. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.